Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Nicole. I have a service dog in training, Bella. She's playing at the moment. And yeah, welcome to my life. Today I want to show you guys what is in my, don't want to drop it, in my makeup bag. I have a lot of makeup and I would like to show it to you guys. So I can't wait to show you guys. So should we get started? Let's go. Okay, so first thing is concealer. It's the concealer I use. By the way, not sponsored. And if you're wondering which one, I had the I do 330, my skin color. I also do blush, powder. It's also 330. I do contour. This is contour, professional contour. And I do this one. So cool. This is blush. I mostly use this one, but I like this one. I like all of them. This is my makeup palette. Amazing. Look at those amazing colors. Comment down below what's your favorite color. Maybe I will do it on a video. These are my makeup brushes. This is for concealer. This is for my eyeshadows. I have a ton of brushes for different things. So I'll do a separate video of which brush is what, because it's gonna be a long video if I do those. Concealer for the eyebrows. This is called I don't know, I'll look it up. This is my old eyeshadows I used to use from Beauty Runway. And I got this for Christmas with my sister. I got the primer for my eyes, mascara, tons of lipstick. I'll show you. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lipsticks, different. Another mascara. A ton of pencil liners, eyeliners, another foundation in case I run out, lipstick. I don't use these a lot. Excuse you. This is another blush, extra, and to help me put foundation on. So yeah, sponges. So that is all I have for my what's in my makeup bag. I hope you all enjoyed all of it. Let me put everything. Oh, and this is my eyeliner. Forgot to show that. That I currently use. I use a lot of eyeliner. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Turn on your post notifications and comment done when you are done. The comments are currently off, so if you go to my Instagram, I'll put it here, so you guys can go follow it, and just comment on my recent picture, so I can, so I'll I'll respond to all of you guys, or you guys can DM me, you know, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Hi Bella, you wanna say hi? Look, say hi. Say hi guys. She's wagging her tail. But that is it for today. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.